My dream home is finally ready. Almost. I need strong, long-lasting metal roofing, but who should I trust? I don't want to risk my new home with the wrong service. Hey, do you know any reliable roofing company?
No.
Clarence Rowe, yes?
You should go with Guns & Sons. They're the best in metal roofing.
Yeah. Hi, I need metal roofing for my new home.
Absolutely. We'll handle everything from inspection to installation.
They're right on time. That's impressive.
All right, Zach. We'll make sure everything is perfect before installation. Yeah.
That gives me confidence. They're so precise, Emil. This looks high quality. Wow, my home looks incredible. Thank you, Guns & Sons. This is exactly what I wanted.
Guns & Sons Contracting. Dating. Quality, strength, and reliability for your home.